Thank you, Kim. Hi, guys. Me again. I hope I will not be that boring like that my last time. My name is Alin Voinea. As Kim said, here are my GitHub account, Twitter, if you want to contact me. But first, I want to start with a little question. So because I was looking at my video from last evening, and I come out with this one. So this is how you want to your software review to look like at the conference.
Okie dokie, here we go. Who's
So
the horse?
if you
I'm the
know
horse.
Ozzy,
I can
man,
do this. It's one step. I jump down, I land on the ground, and then bam, I'm free. I can go out and run around in the paddock like a full-size fucking horse. Come on, actually. No, I don't like it. No, I can do it. Come on, get psyched. Fucking here we go. One step and I can do it. Actually, I'd really prefer if there was an escalator or an elevator or a fireman pole. Yep, nah, I'd do it with a fireman pole. Come on, I'm not a pussy. I'm a miniature horse. I can fucking conquer this. Here we go, and no, I don't like it. Oh, come on. All right, here we go. This is it. This is the one. I'm not backing down like Tom Petty. Oh, fuck yes. I've done it. Yes. All right, let's look at a replay. There it is. Boom shakalaka.
So yeah, this is how it actually looks like. So come on, I mean, look at my face and also 3D effects in 2020. Come on. And I was actually saying something very important here. But I mean, look at this guy. This guy is a front-end developer. He has generic, he has music on the background.
Hi, my name is Miorz.
So yeah. Or Timo's and Victor's keynote. I mean, they just amazing. Or this guy's hair. And yeah, okay, let's go back to our boring stuff. So EA Volto Add-ons. No, this talk is not about EA Facete navigation. And yeah, it's about EA Volto Add-ons. And you can find them on NPM by looking for EA CMS Volto. It's EA CMS because EA was taken on NPM. So yeah, look for on NPM for EA CMS. And then you can look, we have blocks, we have widgets, we have editing, we have miscellaneous. So you can search by keywords, photo blocks, widgets, slate. And yes, this code may contain bugs, and please do not remove them. So the blocks, we have the group block, we have the accordion block, we have the grid block, we have the block divider, metadata block styles, and watch this out. This one will make the end of the civilization. Yeah, I know, bullet points, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's start with the photo group block. This one allows you to add more to group blocks. Yeah, it says here. So you can add Pokemons in a group block. You can also do inception, and I'll show you how to do that. If you didn't see this movie, this is the movie Inception. And you can put inception in the Volto groups block. The accordion block, yes, you can put Pokemons also in the accordion. And you can also do inception with the accordion block. Okay, this is a random slide with Tiberiu. Also has sound. So Volto columns block, yes, indeed, you can put Pokemons on columns. And exactly, you can do the inception. This is a random announcement. Yes, someone is selling his ticket, ProConf ticket, because he's attending virtually to this conference. Yes, the Volto grid block. You can do cool stuff with it. And it has unlimited power, so please use it at your own risk, because we are not responsible for this layout thinking. So yeah, you can do, I think you can do this layout with the Volto grid. Also the block divider, this one. Yeah, no, it's this line in between the texts. Yes, it's a line, but it's so powerful. The Volto metadata block. The Volto metadata blocks allows you to insert metadata in blocks. And you can also insert other metadata. I didn't even know that my English page has metadata in German. Volto block styles. Yes, watch this little icon in the sidebar. And you can add background on any block and change the text color or alignment or whatever. Look, this is the title block, not the custom block. Widgets, we have also widgets, and Tiberiu talked about schema and I talked about schema, and you can create widgets and you can use these widgets. So we have widgets view, widgets toggle, object widget, temporal coverage, geolocation. Did you know that GitHub has a dark mode? They announced it today. I think it's live. Oh, there was a link here. So EACMA Volto widgets view. I don't know what this widget does, but you'll find out, your engineers. This one is my preferred one. So you have checkboxes, and with this one, you can have toggle buttons everywhere. All the checkboxes in your Volto site will be converted to toggle buttons. And the object widget, yes, Tiberiu already did a training about this. This uses schemas, and you have the power of the widgets. And then we have the editing, Volto Slate metadata dimensions, Volto Slate footnotes, and Volto Slate Zotero. Okay, bullets are boring. Yes, for the Volto Slates, go back to Tiberius Volto Slates lighting talk, and I think he also talked about in the previous talk. So,
Hi,
no,
my name is
I
Tiberiu.
don't want to play this. The Volto Slate footnotes, yes, you can add, you can rewrite Wikipedia in Volto. You can add references on texts, and then you have at the bottom a reference block. And Volto Slate Zotero is also about footnotes on steroids. And this guy has a talk after this one. So be sure to go there and find more about Volto footnotes on steroids. Volto Slate metadata dimensions. Yes, with this one you can combine text and metadata in blocks. So you can have, this is in edit mode, and here dynamically have inserted the metadata in the text. And we have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means that we have Volto course proxy and Volto blocks form, and these are Volto course proxy. It's something very powerful. Tiberiu can tell you more about it. And the Volto blocks form are some components that we use to build the groups and accordion. Yeah, powerful add-ons. Demo. So let's see. We have here Pokemons everywhere. And yeah, this one is the group block. Let's see. Let's add another. I will show you how you can do the inception with the group. You can add section, section, section. And then what you can do, you can insert an image. Another Pokemon. And when you save it, yeah, you will not see the inception, but you actually have blocks in blocks in blocks in blocks. What else? Columns, yes, the columns, the columns. So this is a columns block, and you can have more columns. Columns, columns, columns. I don't know, let's say 3. Here you can add more Pokemons. And some text. And some video. Yes, so what else? The block divider, yes, because I know you want to see this one. This one is very powerful one. You can say it's dotted. You can say it is a wide line, a short line. It has colors. See? Beautiful. What else? Block style. The block style, let's see, I have a title, which is not a custom one. And here I have this little button, and I can say that, no, I cannot say that because it's the title, but I can make it, no, not red, and the text color green. Save it, and now I have a yellow page with Pokemons. Object widget, the object widget, okay, the object widget. So if I add some, okay, some text, I have the link, yes, here is the object widget, which has behind a schema. So if it's an external URL, it's pokemon.com. And I don't know what else. I think Tiberi already showed us slate features with copy and paste. So if I go to the EEA website, or I don't know, this one, and try to copy something, and we add a new slate block, we'll get multiple blocks with links preserved. Anyway, let's go back. The next, okay. Yes, so go to Alexandros Medeshan, Citations and Zotero and Oponero on Volto, Lightning Talks. And there is a picture here in between, before the Lightning Talks. And Timo announced that we can have an open space on Volto on Friday, I think, or Thursday. So go to the Volto channel on Slack and you can talk about it. Yeah, let's go back to fun.
I don't know how well you can see it, but next to the grass over there is a brown snake, one of Australia's most venomous. The birds around it are going fucking mental, trying to pick a fight, which I do not recommend. Oh no, it's an innocent geriatric. Look out, dickhead, veer left. Don't go. Oh, he boots it in the guts! The snake is in shock. There's a standoff now, and the old timer kicks it in its fucking face! Nothing is coming between this bloke and his 10 a.m. mid-strength beer at the Bowls Club. He is moving like a cat, agile, no fear. Look at him now. He's like, I don't want to. I don't know how well you can see it, but next.
Thank you very much. It was shorter than I thought. So go to npm and search for our add-ons. Go to GitHub. Try the add-ons and then complain that they have bugs. And do nothing about that. Don't do pull requests on GitHub or on npm. Thank you very much. Back to you, Kim.
Thank you, Alin. It's a good thing I was muted because I was laughing my guts out, especially the last part. But yeah, please don't report issues. Please don't make pull requests. Please don't report bugs. That's yes, fantastic.
You are engineers. You don't do that. You just complain. Don't do pull requests.
It's great to see all the work that you've put into the add-ons for Volto and how the feature set, the availability of these great features is so impressive, and I think it will give a lot of people comfort that Plone 6 is going to be great for users. It's going to be great for developers. So I really appreciate your work and OdaWeb's in continuing to do this fantastic work contributions for the community. I do have a couple of questions I see in the Slido.
Yes.
First one is, Volto had many major breaking releases this year, and some add-ons are already deprecated. Would you have suggestions to mitigate that for the future?
Use the schema. Go to my last talk, the boring one, and Tiberius talk, and yeah, use schemas in widgets, and then you'll not have breaking changes. Or yeah.
Okay. Another question is, can you move one column from one block to a different block?
Right now, no, but you have the copy and paste feature that comes with Volto 10, so you can copy blocks from one column to another or outside the columns block, I think.
Okay, thank you. I don't see any other questions in the Slido, so